ওয়েলকাম এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকে প্র্যাকটিস সেট 9 নিয়ে আলোচনা করব ফর দি এক্সাম অফ SSC JE CIVIL 2023
Paper 1.
So let's start. Question number 101. A submerged wire is one in which the water level on the downstream side of the wire is above the crest level. Option C is right answer. Question number 102. Bitumen emulsion is a liquid containing bitumen in suspension.
Option B, a paint. Option C, used as anti-corrosive paint. Option D is right answer, all of the above.
Question number 103. The crosshairs in surveying telescope are fitted in front of the eyepiece. Option D is right answer. Question number 104. The size of modular brick are 19 cm into 9 cm into 9 cm. Option B is right answer. Question number 105. The main ingredient of Portland cement are lime and silica. এই দুটো বেশি থাকে, লাইম 62% আর সিলিকা 22%. অপশন এ ইজ রাইট আনসার. কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 106. The maximum permissible limit of fluoride in drinking water is 1.5 mg per liter. Option B is right answer. Question number 107. Primary treatment of sewage consists of option A removal of floating materials, right. Option B removal of sand and grit, right. Option C removal of organic materials, right. Option D will be the right answer, all of the above. Question number 108. For determining the ultimate bearing capacity of soil, the recommended size of square bearing plate used in plate load test is 30 to 75 cm with a minimum thickness of 25 mm. Option D is right answer. Answer is not given. Number 109. That the minor loss due to sudden contraction is due to the expansion of flow after sudden contraction. Option B is right answer. Question number 110. The moisture content of a soil below which the soil volume becomes constant is called the shrinkage limit. Option C is right answer. Question number 111. The shearing strength of a cohesionless soil depends on option A dry density, right. Option B rate of loading, right. Option C confining pressure, right. Option D is right answer, all of the above. Question number 112. Coefficient of earth pressure at rest is given by option B is right answer, mu divided by 1 minus mu. Question number 113. The commonly used thinner in oil paint is option A naphtha, option B turpentine. Both option C is right answer, both A and B. Question number 114. In leveling operation, the line commences with a backside and closes with a foresight. Option D is right answer. Question number 115. Good quality cement contains a higher percentage of tricalcium silicate, C3A. Option A is right answer. Question number 116. The bubble tube parallel to the telescope of a theodolite should be more sensitive since it controls the horizontal axis. Option B is right answer. Question number 117. Undisturbed samples are obtained by thin walled samplers. Option B is right answer. By direct excavation and thick walled samplers, disturbed samples are collected. Question number 118. If the diameter of a capillary tube is doubled, the capillary rise will be. The formula for capillary rise of water is equal to 4 sigma cos theta divided by rho GD, where sigma is the surface tension, theta is the contact angle, and rho is the density of liquid, and D is the diameter of the capillary tube, and G is the acceleration due to gravity. So the capillary rise will be inversely proportional to the diameter of the tube. So if the diameter of the tube is doubled, then the capillary rise will be half. Option C is right answer. Question number 119. The age of a tree may be ascertained by number of annular rings. Option D is right answer. Question number 120. Dry rot reduces the timber to powder. Option B is right answer, and it is caused by the fungus. Question number 121. Close tab is used for setting out right angles. Option A is right answer. Question number 122. The commonly used lime in whitewashing is fat lime. Option B is right answer. Question number 123. The relation between coefficient of concentration CV, time factor TV, drainage path D, and time T is given by CV equal to D square into TV by T. Option A is right answer. Question number 1 to 4. A swale which receives the discharge of a number of house swale is called lateral swale. Option B is right answer. Question number 1 to 5. The pitot tube is used to measure stagnation pressure. Option B is right answer. Question number 1 to 6. To measure static pressure in a pipe, one uses pressure gauge connected to a piezometer tapping. Option D is right answer. Question number 1 to 7. The ratio of liquid limit minus natural water content of a soil to the plasticity index for a soil mass is called consistency index. Option C is right answer. Question number 1 to 8. For a tachymeter, the additive and multiplying constants are 0 and 100. Option A is right answer. Question number 1 to 9. The flow in open channel is turbulent if the Reynolds number is more than 2000. Option B is right answer. Question number 130. Plywood is obtained by gluing wooden sheets at a pressure of 100 to 150 Newton per centimeter square and at a temperature of 100 to 130 degrees Celsius. Both option A and B are correct. Option C is right answer. Question number 131. The coefficient of curvature for a well-graded soil must be in the range of 1 to 3. But the option not given, so option D is right answer. Question number 132. Quicksand is a flow condition occurring in a cohesionless soil. Option C is right answer. Question number 133. Air valves in distribution system are provided at the summit points on water mains. Option C is right answer. Question number 134. Flow of fluid takes place due to its deformation under shear force. Option D is right answer. Question number 135. Uniformity coefficient of a soil is equal to or greater than 1. Option D is right answer. Question number 136. The moisture content in well-graded timber is 10 to 12%. Option B is right answer. Question number 137. Rocks having alumina or clay as their major constituent are called argillaceous rocks. Option B is right answer. And the rocks having silica as their major constituent called siliceous rock. Question number 138. The distribution system in water supply is designed on the basis of guitar of B and C. That means guitar of peak hourly demand and coincident draft, whichever is more. Option D is right answer. Question number 139. Resins are not soluble in water. Option A is right answer, but the other options are correct. Soluble in spirit, used in varnishes, and left behind on evaporation of oil. Question number 140. The difference between phase left and phase right observation of a theodolite is 3 minutes. The error is, it will be average 3 minutes divided by 2, so 1 minute 30 seconds. Option B is right answer. Question number 141. Bernoulli's theorem deals with the law of conservation of energy. Option C is right answer. Question number 142. Standard penetration resistance in a very steep clay lies between 15 to 30. Option D is right answer. Question number 143. A manhole is generally provided at each. Option A bend. Option B junction. Option C change of gradient. Option D is right answer. All of the above. Question number 144. The detention period for oxidation bond is usually kept as 10 to 15 days. Option C is right answer. Question number 145. The magnitude of the buoyant force can be determined by Archimedes' principle. Option B is right answer. Question number 146. Sandstone is sedimentary rock. Option A is right answer. Question number 147. The accuracy of measurements in chain surveying does not depend upon the generate layout of the chain lines. Option D is right answer, but the others are dependent factors A, B, C. 148. The fix of a plane table from 3 points is good if the middle station is nearest. Option A is right answer. Question number 149. Crushing strength of a good building stone should be more than 1000 kg per centimeter square. Option B is right answer. Question number 150. Nitrates are more than 45 mg per liter in water leads to the disease called hemoglobinemia or blue baby disease. Option D is right answer. Question number 151. Minimum thickness of main steel members not exposed to weather is
Option B is right answer 6 mm, and when exposed to weather the value will be 8 mm.
Question number 152. The limit of Poisson ratio is -1 to 0.5. So option C is right answer, 0.5. Question number 153. SLAM test is used for measurement of workability. Option C is right answer. Question number 154. Additional cover thickness in reinforced cement concrete members totally immersed in seawater is 40 mm. Option D is right answer. Question number 155. What should be multiplied with permissible bearing stress to find out the strength of rivet in bearing? Strength of rivet in bearing is equal to sigma b into d into t. Bearing stress sigma b into diameter of the rivet hole in the thickness of the plate. So d into t will be the right answer. So number 156. Maximum value of slenderness ratio of lacing flats in a steel column is 145. Option B is right answer. Question number 157. In a cantilever beam, main reinforcement is provided above the neutral axis. Option A is right answer. Question number 158. Section modulus for a rectangular section is given as BD square by 6. Option C is right answer. Question number 159. What are required per bag of cement is, if we assume water cement ratio maximum 0.6, so the water so the required quantity of water will be 0.6 into 50 kg of cement. That means water will be equal to 30 kg. So the near option will be option C. Question number 160. A riveted joint can fail in option A tearing of plate, right. Option B shearing of rivet, right. Option C wearing of plate or rivet only, right. Option D is right answer. Any. Question number 161. In ordinary Portland cement, the first one to react with water is C3A. Option A is right answer. Question number 162. Ductility of which of the following is maximum? Option A is right answer, mild steel. Question number 163. Which of the following method may be used for getting a more workable concrete by increasing cement content? Option A is right answer. Option B, by decreasing water cement ratio. No. Option C, by using angular aggregates in place of rounded ones. No. By rounded aggregates, the concrete will be more workable because rounded aggregates have less voids other than angular aggregates. Option D, by reducing the size of aggregates. No, because if we reduce the size of aggregates, the surface area of the aggregates will increase and a large number of concrete or cement paste will be required, resulting in inworkable concrete. Question number 164. Shear reinforcement is provided in the form of option A vertical bars, right. Option B inclined bars, right. Option C combination of vertical and inclined bars, right. Option D is right answer. Any one of the above. Question number 165. For a beam, the term M divided by EI is curvature. Option C is right answer. Question number 166. Partial safety factors for concrete and steel respectively may be taken as 1.5 and 1.15. Option A is right answer. Question number 167. Tension bars in a cantilever beam must be enclosed in the support up to. Option D is right answer. Effective depth D. Question number 168. Standard loads are given in IS 875. Option D is right answer. Question number 169. According to IS 456/2000, the maximum reinforcement in a column is 6%. Its limit is 0.8 to 6%. Question number 170. A reinforced concrete beam supported on columns at ends has a clear span of 5 meter and 0.5 meter effective depth. It carries a total uniformly distributed load of 100 kN per meter. Question number 171. EI into d cube y divided by dx cube for a beam represents shear. Option D is right answer. Question number 172. The operation of removing humps and hollows of uniform concrete surface is known as screeding. Question number 173. In a cantilever retaining wall, the stem design moment is Question number 174. Minimum pitch of rivet should not be less than how many times the gross diameter of rivet? Right answer. Question number 175. Relation between U modulus E and modulus of rigidity N is given as. Question number 176. Effective throat thickness T and size of oil S are connected as T equal to K into S. Option C is right answer. Question number 177. The characteristic strength of concrete in the actual structure is taken as 0.67 FCK. Option C right answer. Question number 178. A simple supported beam is considered as D beam if the ratio of Fx is valid for long columns only. Option B is right answer. Question number 180. The minimum thickness of a reinforced concrete wall should be 10 cm. Option B is right answer. Not more than 5% of the test results are expected to fall. Question number B is right answer. Question number 182. The minimum headroom over STR must be is right answer. Question number 183. The shape factor of a circular section is equal to 1.70 of a fixed support in a plane structure. Total number of reaction will be 3. Option C is right answer. 3 point. Then these forces are called as concurrent forces. Option C is right answer. Question number 116. Energy stored in a solid body is given as 0.5 into stress into strain into volume. Option D in case of plane 7 concrete. Question number 188. Shrinkage of concrete is measured at 28 days. Option B is right answer. Question number 1 visible. Right. Option B uniform stress distribution in plate is. Question number 192. If precast pile generally used is square in shape. Option B. 193. The type of weld used to connect two plates at a level. Question number 194. The shear stress distribution over a beam of solid circular section is such that Q max is right. Option C is right answer. Question more in fine sand. Option D is right answer. Question number 198. The value of ultimate creep coefficient for concrete decreases with age of a lateral ties in a short concrete column with diameter plus 2 mm. Option C is right answer.